Hey all you cool cats and kittens. What if I started my intro out like that? Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited. We're gonna be doing some fun nails. I posted them on Instagram and somebody said, these are giving me Elsa vibes. And I'm like, you're totally right. If you don't know who I am, hi, hello. My name's Janessa and this is a nail channel. If you like nails and enjoy polygel, tutorials, unboxings, then please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I try and bring you at least 2 videos every single week doing some fun nail stuff. By the way, quick shout out to all of my subscribers. I just hit 1,000 subs and I am so happy. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for all the love, making it to these videos. I appreciate it more than you guys could ever know. And I was looking at the statistics. It said that 55% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you're watching this video and you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so below. But again, I love you guys so much and thank you. So today we're going to be doing a polygel unboxing. I've had this for a little while. I've been waiting to bust it out. It is by Saviland. We're going to be doing the blue cat eye Saviland kit. These colors are so beautiful. I feel like they're going to be perfect for winter. Do a lot of cool winter looks with this. So if you'd like to watch me unbox this kit, see what I come up with, then please keep watching. Bye! Every week I'm gonna start doing channel shout outs. This week is for B Savage Nails. Be sure to go and follow her, guys. So let's get into unboxing this. This is the blue Saviland kit. You can get this off Amazon if you'd like to. First thing we're gonna have is some nail forms. We have a pack of dual forms that come in the kit. Then we're going to have the instruction manual. It has a cute little Saviland thank you card, the instructions, all of that good stuff. Cute little butterfly. I just love the aesthetic. And then they're going to show you how to apply, how to take off the nails, questions, answers, and all the kits they have currently. So we're going to take that plastic thing off, and this is the little magnet tool for the cat eye polygel. We have a base coat, a top coat, the standard nail brush and spatula, and then we're going to have a bottle of slip solution. It's kind of nice because I know there's a shortage. And then a 100-180 grit nail file. So here's all the swatches we're gonna get into. I love these colors so much. Saviland killed it. The first one, that first color, that purple, that is the cat eye. You just hover the magnet over the polygel and then it brings out these little cute sparkles and little flecks. It's pretty cool. So once all the swatches are done, I'm going to show you guys the colors without being cured, and then we're going to cure them for 30 seconds. The purple one is a color temperature changing one, so once you cure it and take it out, it then turns white. I know a few of you guys were having problems keeping your nails on with the LAZYGIRL method, so I'm going to show you how I prep my nails. I first start off by just removing all the imperfections and the shine off my nail bed. You can use a file or a buffer if you don't have an e-file. After you remove all of that, then I'm going to switch out the bits, and I'm going to use the cuticle bit. And then I'm just going to take that and remove all the excess dead cuticle skin around all my nails. This is sped up, but I'm doing this very gentle. Make sure, you know, it's as gentle as possible because you don't want to cut yourself. I've done it many times and, you know, I walk around with busted up cuticles. So be as gentle as you can, but make sure you get them all. And then I'm going to take my dehydrator and dehydrate all of the nails. You can use acetone for this, whatever you have, like just remove all of the oils. And then I'm taking my Young Nails primer, and you do a 1 coat of this, and then you have to completely let that dry and do a 2nd coat after.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After the first layer is done, we'll then come in with our 2nd layer of primer and let that completely dry. And then we will go in with the handy dandy base coat. You guys can see I literally have so much like unused base coat, top coat. So I'm gonna save my Saviland stuff and then just use some stuff I already have just because I don't want to use anything, like I want to use it up first before I open other things. So just FYI. So I'm going to be doing base coat on all of my nails, a nice thin protective layer, cure that 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure to get the excess off your skin because you don't want it to get on there and it kind of burns sometimes. And then this is an optional step. I take the Beetles nail strengthener and then I apply that on top of my base coat and cure that. I used to have problems with like ripping my nails off, and since using that, it's just helped me and my nails have become so much stronger. So I'm going to be using the ENail Couture XXL square nails today and the Chiara Sky the A-Press Dupe lamp. And we're doing another Lazy Girl method. I wanted to do this again because one, I'm doing my dominant hand and it's just easier to put nails on my dominant hand with the Lazy Girl method. And two, you guys seem to really enjoy my last video, and so I just wanted to do another one helping you guys out if you have any more questions. This color, like, okay, what I wanted to do was so simple that I just felt like there was no need to do the regular method, because if you're gonna do your nails like all one color and it's just so easy, like just do it Lazy Girl, you know what I mean? With this specific color, it did need 2 layers, therefore I didn't want to make the nail too thick. So what I did was I went in with a super thin layer, make sure it was all over, and then I'm going to take my little flashy lamp from Jelly Nails, give that a little quick cure, and then I go in with my second layer. Instead of doing like one huge layer of polygel, it sometimes like splashes out the side and just looks a little bit cray-cray. So doing 2 little layers like this and flash curing the first one before going in with the second bead seems to really help for me anyway, and then it just makes the color more there, or what's like, how would you say that? It's not so transparent, I guess, as you could say. A lot of polygels do need 2-3 layers of the polygel so it's not see-through, and when you do the Lazy Girl method, obviously you can't do that, and so I just do the 2 of them, cure in between. When you're done, you're gonna gently put it on your nail. You can squish out a little bit of polygel. If it comes out, it's fine. Just take your brush and clean that up. It's not a big deal. And then you're going to cure that in your lamp. If you don't have the Chiara Sky one like I have here, you can just use one of the mini lamps and turn it on its side. And then make sure you are flipping the nail around upside down and everything like that to make sure it's completely cured. And if you have full cover nails and they don't fit, you can do what I'm doing, and I just take a file and I file around the edges to make sure it's a perfect fit. And then you need to go ahead and brush out all of the dust in there, because if you apply the polygel with the dust inside the nail, then you're gonna see it, obviously. So yeah, make sure to do all of that, you guys. Someone asked me, how do you remove these? Just as you would do any other nails. Usually what I do is I cut them. I take my fingernail clippers, I cut them down. Then I take a little ball, cotton ball, I drench it in acetone, put that on my nail, and then I take a piece of tin foil and wrap it around so that it traps the heat in. With the acetone and the cotton ball trapped in with the heat, it then breaks down the nail. And since I'm using gel nails, it breaks down the same as polygel. So that's why I suggest using gel nails. And for this method, it's going to be up to you, like what look you want. So, you could use short nails, long nails, almond, stiletto, whatever you want, whatever kind of look you have, whatever kind of nails you have. That's obviously going to be the nails that you wear. I will link down all these products below, everything that I use. So yes, and again, I wanted to thank you guys so much for hitting 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I would never in a million years would think that 1,000 people enjoyed my videos, so that's so awesome. My next goal is to get monetized. For those of you that don't know, to become a YouTube partner, you have to have 4,000 watch hours accumulated within a year and 1,000 subscribers. So I'm halfway there. I have like 2,000 watch hours, so I need 2,000 more. But we got this, you guys. In this video, I'm only going to be showing a couple nails on this finger. So on the ring finger, I wanted to do a little slanty slant look. That's what I call it, slanty slant. And so I just apply the polygel exactly where I want it and just thin it out. super easy. I feel like those of you that are scared for that you haven't tried polygel yet, try this LAZYGIRL method, give it a shot. If you didn't watch my last video, in my last video I really break this method down for you. I explain it like in depth. If you missed that one and this is your first time watching this, I'm not going to be taking these full cover nails off. Once you apply them and cure them to your natural nails, they become part of the extension. You don't pop them off like dual forms. So yeah, I have a giveaway going on right now with jelly nails. You guys can enter that if you want. It's going to be ending on Sunday. I will link that in the description if you'd like to enter that giveaway. And then I have a couple others coming up this weekend, a few other collabs. I'm collabing with, I have like 5 of them. I've been reached out by so many cool girls. You guys, like, this nail community is amazing. We have some of the coolest, nicest girls I've ever met in this community, and I'm excited to be working with some of them. So make sure you don't miss my video so you guys can see some goodies, some cool stuff I have coming out for you guys soon. So I'm going to get all these nails applied and I'm going to cure them, and then we're going to take some acetone and wipe off the sticky layer on all the nails. Sometimes it just has a little bit left over, and then we're going to file, shape, and buff them. I take my file, and these full cover nails, they usually have like a little piece of plastic on the ends of them. So I file that off, and then I'm just going to take my file and remove the polygel that squeezed out around my cuticle. You can just gently file that off. It's really easy. How many of you guys like true crime? If you like true crime stories, I'm gonna need you to give this video a like right now. I'm sure a lot of you guys are subscribed to Swells Nails and Beauty. She's like my YouTube bestie. She recently did a true crime video. She did nails and she talked about some true crime. Her and I were talking about it, and we're gonna try to do some of those together. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about a true crime case. I already have one in mind I want to do, but if any of you guys love true crime and you have a case that you'd be interested in listening to, or anything that you want to know, go ahead and leave a comment and I will make sure to talk about it in my next video. So after I have all my nails buffed and shaped, I'm taking the base coat and I'm going to apply base coat on all the nails. This is sad. I love watching like them turn from the dusty to like shiny. It's so satisfying. So I'm going to apply base coat, and then I'm going to cure that, and then after we're done with that, we're going to apply the rhinestones. This whole look was like based on rhinestones pretty much. Like when I was thinking of what to do, it was the rhinestones that guided me into where we are today. Sounds so dumb. So I'm taking the rhinestone glue. I'm going to do a thin coat of that on all the nails that I want to have rhinestones on. And then without curing that, I'm taking the top coat and I'm doing top coat on all the nails, and then we're going to apply the rhinestones. Once you have the rhinestones in place, you then cure your nails and they will be all done. It's a lot easier doing it like this than doing rhinestone glue, putting your rhinestones on, curing that, and then going in with top coat. The rhinestones seem to just adhere a lot better when you do it this way. One of my subscribers, Katrina Sheets, I'll link her right here. You guys should go and follow her too. She gave me this suggestion and it works like a dream. I've been using it ever since she told me about it. So thank you so much, Katrina. And yeah, the little flashy lamp from Jelly Nails is so nice for situations like this. Whenever you have like heavy rhinestones, they slip around and it's super hard to keep them in place. So I just take the lamp and I flash cure them really quick. I also have one of the flashlights that you use to find cat pee in your house, and it's the same exact UV light. So if you're ever at your local store and you see one of those, you can pick that up too, and it's the exact same lamp. It'll cure your nails, so you don't have to like, go on Amazon or anything, because it's super nice to have. So I told you guys on my next video, I'm going to talk about a true crime case, because sometimes like these videos, they get repetitive, like I want you guys to, like love watching these. I don't want it to be the same thing over and over. So if you have any questions, like if you guys ever have anything you want to know about me, leave them below. I would love any topics that you guys want me to talk about during these videos. I'm sure you don't have to hear me say like, oh, cure your rhinestones over and over and over. So post some comments or questions below and I would love to answer them in my next videos. So now I'm applying the cuticle oil, and once that's all done, here are my nails, you guys. Aren't they so fun? They're so Elsa inspired. just kidding. They're not inspired, but they totally have Elsa vibes. Lazy Girl, so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed these nails. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Mwah! Be safe and make good choices. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!